Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a gallery wall using Dollar Tree products. So I want to throw in a quick disclaimer. I didn't use all Dollar Tree products in my gallery wall. I used two things that I already have, and I really wanted to do this because I feel like a lot of times we feel the need to go out and buy new things when we have perfectly usable and amazing things already at home. So that's kind of where I started. I had this beautiful hanging cross from my Nana, and then my sister did an amazing job at painting this H for me that I got for Christmas, and I knew that I wanted to use both of these, but I didn't know how, so I did a little bit of brainstorming and I came up with a gallery wall. And from there I went to Dollar Tree to kind of add to my collection, get a few extra things, and I also got some picture frames because I wanted to print out a few pictures that would accentuate what I already had. So I went to Google and then I printed out some pictures. Guys, printing out pictures is super affordable, and I feel like it's a great way to go if you want some quality pictures. So that's what I did. I printed out pictures from Walgreens, but you don't have to do that. You can print them out at home, at your school library, your friend's house, whatever. There is definitely affordable options for that, but honestly, Walgreens does not charge that much for pictures in the first place, so that's a good option as well. So I printed out my pictures that I wanted and I put them in my Dollar Tree picture frames, and then I kind of just arranged everything to how I wanted it to look. I really wanted to be super creative with the textures and the sizes of everything, so I kind of just organized it the way that I wanted it to look on my wall, and then I put it up on my wall. I switched a few things around beforehand, but I think it looks absolutely amazing, you guys, and I highly recommend you try this out. Dollar Tree has an amazing selection of pictures. The Simply Blessed picture and the Bless This Mess were both from Dollar Tree, and you guys, I think that everything looks absolutely amazing, and this just proves that we can have beautiful decor in our homes without having to pay ungodly amounts of money. Literally, this project was $6 altogether. $6, you guys. That is not that much money, and I think that it turned out absolutely amazing. So I would love to see you recreate this in your own way, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram or Twitter. I would love to see all of your creations. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.